Okay, never a dull day in van life. All of a sudden I'm driving and my battery light, I'm like, which light was that? Was my battery light came on. I'm like, you know what? We're gonna stop at O'Reilly's, check it out, because you just never know when. I wanna be safe, so that's the number one thing. If you're on the road, you gotta make sure all the pieces, parts are working. So let's go see what they have to say. So your mic.
Yep.
Your mic.
Mine too.
And your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the odds of 3 mics in O'Reilly's? That is pretty cool.
They call us the Miketeers.
The Miketeers. Okay, well these Miketeers are gonna hook up the Adventure Van. Here we go. Let's go try this out.
Oh, that's kind of weird though. We went on and off.
So it went on, it went off,
Yeah.
and we're gonna go with good, I guess.
Yep. Alternator check though, just in case though.
All right, so how do I do that?
Do that? Well, I can test it here right now still, or?
Yeah, let's test it. We're here.
All right, you go turn it back on.
Okay. All right, so you're saying I need someone to look at my alternator?
Yeah, it needs to be replaced. It's not regulating all the voltages you need. So it goes for the power, the battery, the radio,
Everything. Okay, all right. Okay, this is like confessions at the steering wheel. Oh my gosh, this is so, here we go. So it looks like, sadly, it's my alternator. And now I gotta find a Dodge Ram dealership to go take a look at this. You know, every day's an adventure. I was super happy to find Sorg Ram Service Center in Goshen, Indiana that could get an alternator and get me back on the road in time for my next stop. All right, we're picking up the Adventure Van. It's done. Fantastic. I gotta give you guys a shout. Okay. This is the guy that made it happen right here, guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
You bet. You're welcome.